I have to record that.
No, record it. It's okay.
Don't you love waking up looking like a pretty princess?
Princess.
Look like Princess Leia with a weave.
Talcum powder.
Yeah, little Miss YouTubers. That's sad when we wake up and we cannibalize our last night's ham and egg sandwiches. We're horrible. You don't have to buy it. Go get your tablet and I'll show you where it's at. Go get your tablet. I'm going to show you where it's at.
Wow. Clean the toilet and the sink. Swept the floor. That did worse than this.
Yeah, but that's stuff you shouldn't do it.
I swept the floor. Swept the floor. She ain't supposed to be cleaning. Supposed to be doing nothing.
Well, it's hard not to do nothing.
Yeah, it's true.
They got a nice today's special value.
You got a nice what?
Today's special value on QVC.
Yeah. Finally home. Running around all day. There we go. So Cora got her Fed loan stuff done, so now we're waiting. So now, what are we doing now, honey?
I have the chicken. She wants chicken.
Okay, so he wants chicken. So now we're going to eat. Where's the chicken at?
It's in the freezer. I'm gonna get some more.
It's in the freezer?
Is that added chicken?
I got you. There we go. So I guess we're having chicken tonight from a bag.
Zach.
Oh well.
Hey, can you use the flour? Yes. Can you use it with one Zach? I saw it a little bit.
Me and the dish.
What's up, Bree?
The spicy kebab. Consider yourself
What are you doing, Bree?
A little bit.
Psst.
Please don't push me.
Psst. What are you doing, Bree?
Stop it! Daddy!
What are you doing, Bree?
Stop!
We being grumpy?
Yes, I am.
Courting your homemade fried chicken. Little egg wash. What spice did you put in there?
Seasoned salt, black pepper, and Italian.
Ooh, that sounds good. What's up, YouTuber? Huh? What's up, YouTuber? What are you hiding, YouTuber?
Oh, it's ugly!
Noober from the YouTuber? I got you.
Well, I am just got chicken.
Hell yeah.
What's that, honey?
Chicken looks good.
Thank you.
Some corn.
Muffins.
Cornbread muffins. And then we got some au gratin. Rotten au gratin. Yeah.
I mean, we always had chicken, but we never had like fried shit like one time. I know, I'm gonna make it some. I bet I would eat some. Hey! What if you my honey college and all bar alone? Poor dog you.